right, today we're going to use base 10 blocks to do some decimal addition, just to get us ready for doing it. So when we look here, we're going to use our base 10 blocks. We have our 100 block, which is going to represent the ones. There's our decimal points. We know that that is our hand. Okay, and then we have our tenths, which is a stick, and our hundredths. 10 hundredths equal 1/10. 10 tenths equal 1 whole. So that's what we have to remember, that a square is 1, a stick is a tenth, and a cube is a hundredth. So we're going to model the sum of 2 and 5/10 and 2 and 8/10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 and 5/10 right here. I'm going to write 2 and 8/10 right here. So I'm going to use, there's 1, there's 2, and then I have 5/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let me move this guy out of here. And I have, I don't have any hundredths. So now I have my 2 and 5/10. So now I'm going to make my 1, 2, and I have 8. I have 8 tenths over here. Come on. Going to make this a little faster. So now I have 8 over here. Now, if I'm going to add these together, I'm going to start with my tenths. I have 5/10 here and I have 8/10 over here. If I put 8/10 together, that makes a whole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2 and 5/10, my 2 and 8/10. I'm going to take 2 from over here. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that that's a whole. So I'm going to get rid of these guys and turn it into a whole. So now I can add up all of my things. So I'm going to move these over here. I'm going to move my ones over here. So when I look here, I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. So my answer to 2 and 5/10 plus 2 and 8/10 is 5 and 3/10. Here we've got 1 and 37 hundredths. There's my 3. And I have 7 of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to do a quick little thing here. 6 and 7. So I have my 1 and 3 or 30, 1 and 37 hundredths right there. I'm going to get that out of there. Now I'm going to do my 1, and I have don't want that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now there's my 1 and 8 and 5 85 hundredths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my ones together. Now, this time I'm going to start with my hundredths. I know that I have 7 right here, 8, 9, and 10. So I know that 10 hundredths equals 1/10. So now we're going to line up my tenths. we are going to see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 tenths. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to replace that with a whole. So now I have, for an answer, 1, 2, 3, and 22 hundredths. 3 and 22 hundredths. All right. Now we're going to check here. We've got use base 10 blocks to model the sum of 34 hundredths. 1, 2, 3. And I have 4 hundredths. 1, 2, 3. So there's my 34 hundredths. I have 3 tenths and 4 hundredths. Now it looks like I have 27 hundredths, which means I have 2 tenths. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I'm going to look first at my hundredths. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to get rid of those and turn it in to a tenth. So now I'm going to move this guy over a little bit. So now my answer for my sum of 34 hundredths plus 27 hundredths is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. So I get 61 hundredths as my answer. All right, we're going to come over to, now I have 65 hundredths plus 73 hundredths. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 73 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 3 hundredths. So there's my models. Now, if I count up my hundredths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only have 8, so I can't do anything with those. So these can just line themselves up. Let's put them all over here a little bit. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to take these 10. Whoop, not going to do that. I'm going to take these 10 and turn them into a whole. So now I can line up my model. So I have 1 and 1, 2, 3. I have 3 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 hundredths. So my answer for 65 hundredths plus 73 hundredths is 1 and 38 hundredths. All right. We got a big one here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to move this over here. And then I have 1. Now for my second one, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I don't have enough hundredths to convert up to a bigger one, but I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's move these over here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to get rid of these guys. I don't know if that's going to work. Yeah. Replace that with a whole number. So now we can set up our model. And I end up with 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 3/10, 1/100th. I get 4 and 31/100ths is my answer. All right, now this one's kind of fun. We're going to draw another picture. Can use a quick picture to model 1 and 77/100ths plus 1 and 19/100ths. Which picture shows the sum? All right, well, let's try it. So if I have 1 and 77/100ths, drew a square, there's my hole, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to do 1 and 19/100ths in a different color. So I know I have 1, then I have 1/10, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add together my tenths. So I know that I have 9 down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to get rid of that guy. So we're going to add another 1. So let's go. So now let's check our tenths. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. So, and I have 2 right here. 1, 2. So 1, 2, that one's still good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey. Well, let's check the other ones. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one has 3. 1, 2, 3. Nope. So we know that our answer is A. Okay? This was our homework tonight. Number 1 looked like this, and we're just going to draw a quick picture like we did in the last one. So we're going to say that 0 and 15/100ths plus 0 and 36/100ths. So my quick picture is going to look, I have 1/10, so I have a slot, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My quick picture here is 1, 2, 3. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to add 1 stick, and I have 1 left over. So that takes care of this and takes care of this. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 0 and 51/100ths. All right, tomorrow we're going to tackle subtraction, so hopefully this gets you through till tomorrow. Have a wonderful Thursday.